So, dear students, welcome back. Now, only we saw metal with strong acid and metal with weak acid reaction, and we got different products. So, we'll say metal with acids, dilute mineral acids. So, we saw here example sodium plus HCl. So, we'll get NaCl as a salt, and so that is here H2 is evolved readily and vigorously in this reaction. So see the next reaction, magnesium with dilute acid. So here we will get what? Magnesium chloride. So Mg plus, here also we can show breaking Mg plus H plus and Cl minus. So MgCl2 according to charge on this magnesium is 2 plus. So according to crisscross method our formula is correct. So H2 is evolved quite less readily. So in this reaction whatever your H2 is evolved quite less readily. So reaction next we will say here reaction of aluminum with acid. So that gives here AlCl3. So as you know we discussed this previously, AlCl3 aqueous you are getting here, what is Cl also here aqueous, aluminum is solid, plus you will get what? Hydrogen gases. So we saw this reaction previously. Here H2 evolved comparatively less readily. So from that also here less readily it will H2 gases evolve. So next our very less it will whatever your hydrogen gas evolve. So in which reaction? So see here that reaction is your zinc. In this very much less H2 gas will evolve readily. It's Zn plus HCl. So means what? Here mainly very less readily your H2 gases evolve. So next we can say here examples. After fourth we will say fifth, iron plus HCl also. Iron plus HCl, FeCl2 plus H2 gas. So our reaction will balance here. So you have to balance this reaction. As you know the balancing of this, you can balance easily. So see here with dilute HCl, that is a mineral acid, you will get different products. So whatever we are discussing 6-1 reaction is very much important. Reaction of copper with dilute acid, reaction of copper with dilute acid. So in this reaction your copper solid plus HCl aqueous. So here you will get no reaction. Very much important, concentrate on this, because H2 is not evolved because your copper is less reactive than hydrogen and cannot displace it from acid. So very much important this reaction, copper plus HCl, you will get what? No reaction, because copper is less reactive than hydrogen and cannot displace it from acids. So as you know this very much important such type of reaction. So we will see the next our reaction of metals with salt solution of less reactive metals. So our next point, reactions reactions of metals with salt solutions of less less reactive metals. So here very much important thing, more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its salt solution, and this type of reaction is called as displacement reaction. Actually when more reactive metal comes in contact with a solution that contains ions of less reactive metal, it displaces those ions and deposit the less reactive metal in pure metallic form. So we can see here with examples. So we will see here M1. So metal 1 we will see it is what? More reactive. It is what? More reactive. Plus salt solution. Plus what? Salt solution of M2. So salt solution of M2 means what? Salt solution of less reactive metal, that gives M2 plus salt solution of M1. So very much important this general reaction. So basically what, more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its salt solution, and this type of reaction we called as displacement reaction. That displacement reaction we have to say in another topic also. That name of that topic is chemical reactions and equation. So we have to discuss in briefly in that topic, displacement reaction. So first we concentrate on this general reaction. M1 is your more reactive, and salt solution of M2 means what, less reactive. So you will get M2 plus salt solution of M1. So here M1 and M2 represent two different metals. Here what, M1 and M2 represents two different metals. So whatever examples we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.